Hello and welcome to the 21-Day Positivity Challenge, a step-by-step plan to transform your mindset and change your life. Do you find yourself stuck in negative thoughts and emotions? Do you struggle to see the good in every situation? If so, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, we will provide you with a plan to help you transform your mindset and live a more positive and fulfilling life. So, let's get started. Our mindset is a powerful tool that can influence every aspect of our lives. It can affect our relationships, our work, our health, and our overall well-being. A positive mindset can help us overcome challenges, see opportunities, and live a happier and more fulfilling life. However, developing a positive mindset is not always easy. It takes time, effort, and commitment. That's why we have created the 21-Day Positivity Challenge, a step-by-step plan to transform your mindset and change your life. The challenge is designed to help you develop a positive mindset by focusing on one aspect of positivity each day for 21 days. Each day, you will be given a task or exercise to complete that will help you shift your perspective and focus on the good in your life. These exercises are simple and easy to do, but they can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Day 1, Gratitude. The first day of the challenge is all about gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of being thankful for what you have in your life. It's about focusing on the positive aspects of your life rather than the negative. Today, your task is to write down 3 things that you are grateful for in your life. It can be something as simple as having a roof over your head or something as significant as having a loving family. Take a few minutes to reflect on these things and feel grateful for them. Day 2, Positive Affirmations. The second day of the challenge is about positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are positive statements that you say to yourself to help you change your mindset and overcome negative thoughts. Today, your task is to create a list of 5 positive affirmations that you can say to yourself throughout the day. These affirmations can be anything that makes you feel good and helps you focus on the positive. Day 3, Mindful Breathing. The third day of the challenge is about mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is a technique that helps you focus on your breath and bring your attention to the present moment. Today, your task is to take 5 minutes to practice mindful breathing. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. Pay attention to how your breath feels and try to clear your mind of any distracting thoughts. Day 4, Kindness. The fourth day of the challenge is about kindness. Kindness is the practice of being considerate and compassionate towards others. Today, your task is to perform a random act of kindness. It can be something as simple as holding the door open for someone or buying a cup of coffee for a stranger. Performing acts of kindness can help boost your mood and make you feel good about yourself. Day 5, Visualization. The 5th day of the challenge is about visualization. Visualization is a technique that involves imagining a positive outcome or situation in your mind. Today, your task is to spend a few minutes visualizing a positive outcome for something that you have been worrying about. Imagine the situation working out in your favor and feel the positive emotions associated with it. Day 6, Positive News. The 6th day of the challenge is about consuming positive news. Today, your task is to read or watch something positive in the news. It can be something uplifting or inspiring. Consuming positive news can help shift your focus from negativity to positivity. Day 7, Reflection. The seventh day of the challenge is about reflection. Today, your task is to reflect on the past week and think about the positive changes that you have noticed in your mindset and attitude. Take note of how you feel and the progress that you have made so far. Congratulations! You have completed the first week of the 21-day Positivity Challenge, a step-by-step plan to transform your mindset and change your life. Keep up the good work, and we will see you next week for the next set of tasks and exercises. Remember, developing a positive mindset takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.